Welcome guys. Let's do Matic technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of Matic is 19 and price of Matic is $1.71 right now. And it is ordered by Certic. Market cap of Matic is $11.9 billion, which is very huge. Fully diluted market cap of Matic is $17 billion, which is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of Matic is $1 billion. Circulating supply of Matic is 7 billion. And total and maximum supply of Matic is 10 billion. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I am going to show you charts. All-time high of Matic was on May 18, 2021, about 6 months ago, and price was $2.86. All-time low of Matic was on May 9, 2019, price was $0.003012. And Matic return on investment is 37,562, which is very huge percentage. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, FTX. And if you want to buy this token on Binance or other exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. This is Binance exchange link. Just click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can grab $710 bonus. You can total grab $5,680 bonus of these exchanges. Just click on these links, create your account, and after initial deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free. These are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away, and it is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is Matic USDT 4-hour pair chart, and this is horizontal resistance is at $1.70. Matic is again touching this horizontal resistance, and it is strong resistance. Once Matic coin break this horizontal resistance, in that case, next target would be like this, and it can easily hit $2 and $2.01. You can say our first target $1.92 and second target $2.01, and after that so on. These are targets, and if Matic price reject from this zone, in that case Matic price can again retest this zone, which is $1.60, and after that price have to move towards upside, and it have to. This is the possible scenario, but I think this is most likely scenario, and Matic can easily hit these targets. Let me please show you volume. Volume is very decent, and that is very good thing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles broke this EMA ribbon towards upside, and candles are above from this EMA ribbon. That is very good sign, and this is indication price is ready for upside movement. Let me please show you RSI. 4-hour RSI is at 54, and it seems bullish. And 4-hour MACD crossover towards upside, and green towers are coming. This is indication price is ready for next up move towards upside. Let me please show you daily chart. This is Matic daily chart, and it is at, here you can see $1.70 price area, and it is a strong resistance area. Once it broke this area in daily chart, in that case Matic's next target will be like this. Let me please show you. Let me please fix this chart, and our first target, initial target will be $2 and second target $2.2, and this is major trend line. Matic respect this major trend line, and it is very important to hold. Maybe Matic price rejected. If rejected from this zone, in that case price can touch this zone, which is 1.58 to 1.60 cents price, $1.60 price area, and after that price is ready to move towards upside. These are targets. We have to note down these targets. Our first target is $2 and second target is 2.2, and after that so on. After that $2.39, and after that 2.75, and so on. These are the targets. Let me please show you indicators. There is good volume in daily chart and very good sign. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon. Daily candle closing above $1.70 means it break this EMA ribbon. In that case, last time when it break this EMA ribbon, we saw a move of approximately 70 to 75% towards the upside, and this is very good indication. And let me please show you RSI and MACD. RSI is at 51 and it seems bullish, and MACD crossover towards the upside is about to happen. Once it happen, in that case definitely price will go up. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. And here you can see this is CPR indicator. Let me please fix this chart. Let me please fix this. These yellow lines are mean CPR lines. Once candle closing above $1.80 price area, in that case these main CPR area will turn into strong support. After that it can hit these targets. These blue lines are monthly CPR targets. First bullish target is this area, $2.41. Second bullish target is this area, $3.01. And third bullish target will be this area, 3.64 cents price area, $3.64 price area. These are the targets. Note down these targets. Let me please show you weekly chart. It is Matic weekly chart, and here you can see it is still facing resistance to break $1.95 price area. This is main trend line. Once it broke this resistance area and closed weekly candle above this will be huge for Matic. In that case, Matic price can hit, let me please calculate the target. In that case, Matic price can, let me please fix it. In that case, Matic price can easily hit this zone, which is very huge, $3.37 price area. Until now we have to make wait. Maybe we may see that kind of actions, and after that price will broke this and we see a upside rally. We have to wait. And if Matic price broke this, in that case there is strong support is in this area. This is the area, $1.34 to $1.35. And second and this is also a strong support, $1.50 price area. These are major support zones, 1.49, 1.34, 97 cents and 67 cents. These are support zones, and this is horizontal resistance. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of crypto friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of these exchanges, Binance, Pmex, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi, and FTX exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposits you can grab these bounces. These are absolutely free bounces and tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.